How to Fix Links Not Working on Facebook 2025 Updated Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to fix links not working on Facebook, step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, update the Facebook app from the Play Store or App Store. Outdated versions often cause this issue. If that doesn't work, clear Facebook's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, open Facebook, go to Settings, Browser Settings, Clear Browsing Data. Now check Facebook Browser Settings. Go to Menu, Settings and Privacy, Settings, Browser. Toggle Links Open Externally on or off to test which works best. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, turn it off. These can stop Facebook links from loading. Still not working? Log out and log back in, or reinstall the app completely to reset it. For desktop users, try clearing browser cookies or switching to another browser like Chrome or Edge. And that's it! You've fixed Facebook links not opening in just a few easy steps. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to How to Mastery, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials.